Hello, my name is Richard Dunks with the Community Data Empowerment Project, and I'd like to go a little bit further into pivot tables with some more information on how to work with them. So to recap what we've done, we've taken police arrest data and we've summarized it by race and by ethnicity using pivot tables. So another way to look at this, we've talked about rows, columns, and values. We haven't talked about another field in here, which is our filters, to be able to filter by whatever other value that we have. What if we want to take this analysis a little bit further and look specifically at certain locations around the city? So knowing that crime isn't the same everywhere, I want to look now at zip codes around Dallas and identify the zip code or zip codes with the most number of arrests. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Data, Pivot Table. I'm going to insert another pivot table here. And in this case, for rows, I'm going to do the arrest zip. For values, I'm going to do arrest number again. And then I'm going to sort descending by the arrest value. So again, because I was kind of fast, order is descending, sort by count A of arrest number. So this is going to give me, in this case, the top two zip codes for arrests in Dallas during this time. So we see 75220 and 75216 both had 399 arrests during this time. So now I'm going to go back to my pivot table with race and ethnicity, and I'm going to scroll down here to filters. And filters, I'm going to click Add. I'm going to click ARL zip, so the arrest location zip code. And where it says showing all items, I'm going to click that down. I'm going to select clear, so this is going to remove all of the zip codes. And then I'm just going to select those two zip codes, so 75220, and then click it. And then 75216, 16, click that one, and then click OK. So you should notice now it says showing two items there under the ARL zip, and you scroll down. If you click that box, you should be able to then see 75216 is checked, 75220 is checked. So those are our two zip codes that we're looking at. And now we're seeing just the arrests in that zip code displayed in our pivot table. So in those two zip codes, remember we had 399 each for a total of 798. Of those, 358 were Black, non-Hispanic or Latino, 324 were Hispanic or Latino, and 107 were white. So this allows us to drill down into our data more. And notice how I'm doing it in separate pivot tables. So I don't have that problem of trying to do one pivot table to rule them all. This is showing the information that we have in a very easy to understand way. So we filtered our pivot table for arrests in two zip codes, 75220 and 75216. But say, for instance, we want to understand a little bit more about some of the data that's in here. So, for example, we have the for Hispanic or Latino Black. So what if we want to drill down into those? I can actually double left click on that for, and what Google Sheets does is it opens up another sheet that has just those four. Now again, this doesn't change, anything I do here doesn't change the underlying data. It's just a quick way to go in and inspect the data that I have. So it allows me to go in here. I just have those arrests. So there were 4 arrests, 1 in March, 3 in May. Quick way to quickly see information. As you can see on the tab here, it actually gives you a little description of what it is. And then when you're done, you can just click delete. So I hope this has been helpful, give you a little bit of extra experience with pivot tables, and you enjoy now working with data more than you did before. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to connect with us, you can check out our website, datafordallas.org, email us at info@datafordallas, or find us on Facebook or Instagram.